Let's see if you can identify some of the world's greatest and amazing mountains. The 8th highest mountain located in Nepal, known for its stunning landscapes. Manaslu. The highest mountain in the world, located in the Himalayas. Everest. Located in Pakistan, that is famous for its dramatic rise above the surrounding terrain. Nanga Parbat. The highest peak in Africa, that is a dormant volcano. Kilimanjaro. The highest mountain in the United Kingdom. Ben Nevis. The highest mountain in Europe that is located in Russia. Elbrus. A mythical mountain in Greece that is home of the gods. Olympus. The highest peak in the contiguous United States. Whitney.